Milford State Park is located just north of Junction City, Kansas, and it is located on the largest lake in Kansas, which is over 15,000 surface acres. The state park has 8 campgrounds which have primitive camping, water and electric hookups, or full hookups. They also have equestrian camping. The campsites have picnic tables, fire pits, and grills. There is also cabins available. Amenities at the campground include restrooms and shower houses and dump stations, playgrounds, a splash pad, 3 different boat launches, and fish cleaning stations. There's a swimming beach, yacht club, and marina. There are also hiking trails and horseback riding trails right in the campgrounds. The views of the lake are pretty incredible, as well as that view of the sun setting over the lake. This is a gem of a campground in the heart of Kansas.